Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok while playing Mobile Legend. Without wasting much time, let's dive right in. First, go to your TikTok account, click on this plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Here you will find the live option available for you, but my account is a new account. For this, I don't have a live option available for now, but after this template section you will find the live option available for you. It will look like this. As you can see here, after the template option, here is the live option is available, and click on this live and click on this go live button for starting a live. As soon as you click this go live button, your whole screen will be casting live in TikTok. After you click on this go live button, you can now just leave the TikTok app, clicking on this home, and you can play Mobile Legend on your device, but the live will be casting on TikTok app because the TikTok will be running in background of your device. So make sure your RAM has enough space to run TikTok in background of your Mobile Legend. For this, you will face no lag on your gameplay and the live will be telecast on TikTok perfectly. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.